Hey, I'm Doug of DOUGandNIKI, and we're here with another product unboxing, a review, and a quick lesson on how to install it on your travel trailer. This is the Valterra Adjustable Easy Hose Carrier, which will mount underneath the travel trailer so that we can put our hose under there and we don't have to have a stinky hose in our travel trailer at all. I'm going to show you the basic tools we need to install this in the single person version so you don't have to offer your friend a case of beer to help you. I'm going to show you a hack here with this. So you're going to need the jack, two actually. Safety glasses, always necessary, especially when you're drilling on your back with metal shards falling. You don't want them in your eyes. Hardware to mount it, a wrench and a socket to tighten it, and some washers, and that's all we need for this project. All right, let's open it up, see what's inside. We have the ever-present instruction manual, and there shouldn't be too much to it, just a mount, so this is the model that expands from a small 50 inches to the full trombone technique of 94 inches, depending upon the size of your chassis. Just to go over it again, the reason we're installing this is it's so easy to access your black water hose when you're at the dumping station, and it's nice to just be able to stow it here, not have to roll it up in a bin and put it underneath the RV or the travel trailer. You just take your black water hose, which thankfully this one's clean, and you just drop it in there and you're done. So here is my solo garage hack. You jack up one side, and on the other side you jack up the other side, and I can work. I have my hands free, I don't need extra help. Alright, so while we're lying under here, I'm going to switch to a first party camera, but let me tell you what we're going to do. First I'm going to drill a pilot hole. I have self-tapping screws, but instead of grinding them through, I'm going to drill a nice clean pilot hole, then drive a self-tapping screw in and fasten this to this frame rail here.
Safety glasses.
We drilled the pilot hole. We have the self-tapping screw with a washer on it. So when you get to big boy tools and you start buying customized stuff, this is a snap-on where the head's offset, which makes it nice and easy to get to places which are difficult to get to with a flat wrench. All set. Okay, before I demonstrate how this works, please click that like button. It takes 2 seconds and it means a lot to YouTube that you tell them that you like these videos. So let me demonstrate to you how to put away your poopy hose. You pull the cover off, put your actually clean hose in here, put it in there, then you put the cover back on, and you are out. See you next time.